Hello everybody, welcome back to my home kitchen. It's Market Wagon Delivery Day here at my home, and I absolutely just get so excited when these totes show up at my doorstep. So for those of you that aren't familiar with Market Wagon, we do have an incredible podcast episode with their founder and CEO, Nick Carter. So check that out on the Produce Moms podcast to get the entire story about this incredible brand and platform. Essentially, this is an online farmer's market. So think local food delivered. They're bringing a farmer's market right to your doorstep. There's no subscription, no minimum orders, and everything is just contactless, brought right to your door. It's simple to patronize, and you're going to find some incredible things. What I love the most about Market Wagon is it provides small-scale producers with the opportunity to really connect with the end consumer. It's really all about that market access when you're making the investment and becoming a farmer or an artisan. And Market Wagon has really empowered their local agriculture and artisan communities to connect with households like mine and yours. So I want to show off some of the items that I got today in my Market Wagon delivery. First, I just washed this gorgeous bowl of greens. This is collard rabe, so think broccoli rabe mixed with collard greens, locally produced, absolutely gorgeous, and totally something that you're not gonna find at a mainstream grocer. This is something you're gonna have to go to your local farmer's market to find, maybe, or simply get on marketwagon.com like I did and have it delivered to your doorstep. Everything comes very well prepared. They've got the cards here on the side that tells you what's inside of each of the bags. So like this one, for instance, is all of my meats. It also has a really good, it tells you all about the brand and a nice welcome letter from the CEO, Nick, who, again, check out that podcast. This man has an incredible story. He's a farmer himself. All right, so in addition to these beautiful greens, some things that my family and I really love. We buy the breakfast sausage, sugar-free breakfast sausage. They've got great meats, like really good cuts of meats, and they have sales just like everyone else. This is a standing rib roast, so prime rib night for my kids. They're gonna be thrilled about that. We do have a special occasion coming up, so that's what that's for. Mom's birthday is the special occasion. Okay, so let's check out what we've got in here. This bag did have these frozen blueberries in it. I love buying the frozen blueberries straight from the farm. And another thing that I love about this brand in particular, I have been to that farm. So if you go back in the Produce Moms archives on Facebook Watch, you'll see some footage from Bowerman's. And you know, one thing that's great about Market Wagon, you can get everything. Bakery items. I love these grits made with the orange corn. Now, if you're watching me unbox and you don't live in the same area as I do, some of these products probably won't be available for you because it's meant to be a curation of what's local to your home. So think less food miles and really supporting your local artisans. My mother is celiac, so this is a really nice baguette, and the Native Bread brand is free of all major allergens. So no gluten, no eggs, no soy, and it tastes great. And another one of my favorite items, which I'm going to put on some of these salad greens. This is the blueberry balsamic vinaigrette. Oh my word, it's delicious. And also from Bowerman's. On the Market Wagon platform, you can actually get to know your farmers. So you don't have to be someone like me who's been, who has a career based around getting to know farmers and creating content for them. You can simply get on marketwagon.com and get to know all of these local producers. And that's actually how I found the egg brands that my family and I purchased. So these are the Endless Knots Community Farms. These are just your classic chicken eggs. And then these are the Rudy Ranch duck eggs. If you've never had duck eggs, they are so rich and creamy, and they just bring like a really nice indulgence to your dish. And if you've ever gone to a farmer's market wanting to buy duck eggs, they sell out like 30 minutes. So you better be there when they open, or again, just get on marketwagon.com, right? But this platform is amazing. Another thing that I really love, see how they pick it, and it's got like that personal touch. It's got my name on it. They know this is coming to my house. These are, and it's a great way, even for someone like me. Like, I've actually never heard of Salanova. I mean, I can tell by looking it's a type of leaf lettuce, maybe something similar to a bib lettuce, but it gives me something to look up and a way for me to learn and explore with fruits and veggies. And as someone who always has a ton of fruits and vegetables in their home, my Market Wagon deliveries bring something new and exciting to me with each and every delivery. So I love that too. Sometimes I don't have the time to go through the whole, because the platform's huge. Like, literally think of a whole farmer's market and anyone who could potentially sell at a farmer's market. That's what's available to you on this platform. So one thing that I often do is I'll buy like the pre-curated bundles. They'll have a veggie bundle or a fresh produce bundle or a fresh meat and dairy bundle. Sometimes I'll just buy those and then add on a few things. So like this is an example of the veggie bundle. So again, we've got some more spinach. I've got another one of these. Let's see. Okay, so this is another one of the salad greens. Oh, lettuce mix. I use that every day. I'm putting that blueberry stuff on it. Oh my gosh. Yay. Pea shoots. So an example of something that makes a huge difference when you're cooking at home. You can really elevate any dish with, things like pea shoots or microgreens. Oftentimes, though, these type of items are extremely difficult to find at grocery retail. Oh, and this is fun too. So I've got a friend who has a birthday coming up and I wanted to get her a box of chocolates. So I just added a box of chocolates from a local chocolate artisan to my order on Market Wagon. Everything's packaged very carefully so that, don't have to worry about that. And look, box of truffles from the best chocolate in town delivered to my doorstep. So this is fun. Oh, and I forgot, it's baseball season. My life is chaos. I have 2 baseball players. And so I always add in some freezer meals. They've got a great chicken and dumplings, the sweet corn chowder, chicken tikka masala. Oh, I love this. I will probably not wait for dinner time to eat it. Minto cheese, tuna salad, chicken salad. So these are, it really can make our lives easier too. And we've teamed up with the good folks at Market Wagon. We're so proud to be brand partners with them, and they have offered us all a discount. So type in Produce Moms for anyone that is a new time customer to Market Wagon. You'll get $20 off your first order of $40 or more. So thank you to everyone for that. So the mission at Market Wagon is to enable food producers to thrive in their local communities. Why should we shop local? Well, we do it for ourselves. When food is grown for the local community on the local scale, there's less need for preservatives, packaging, and shipping. When you buy local food, you get to know and interact with the farmers and food producers. Relationships form, and you can purchase food on personal trust. Local food keeps your grocery dollars in your local economy. Okay, so how fun is this, right? This is a great way to get your family excited about trying new fruits and vegetables. It works in my home. It works even with me. I can't wait to try that lettuce that I did not, let's see, this one here. Yeah, I'm gonna try this first because I've never had this variety of lettuce and it works. Everything's very fresh and I can get to know each and every one of the farmers that help produce these items right through the Market Wagon platform. So truly an amazing innovation that is going to help the local food economy thrive and grow for years to come. So join me and join the millions of others who are Market Wagon customers. And please let us know if you have any questions. We are here to help at the Produce Moms, and so is everyone at Market Wagon. Have a great day.